किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कंवल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कंवल ड्रीम गर्ल.
So today I am sitting with Miss Shriya Parab. She is Miss Asia, Miss Tourism Universe 2021, and we'll be talking about the pageant and her title. So Shreya, how would you introduce your pageant and your title?
Miss Tourism Universe is a pageant that promotes the tourism of the countries that participate in the contest. There were 22 different countries, and out of which there were 5 continental queens, one of which is Miss Asia, the title that I was bestowed with.
So how would you say that your title is Miss Tourism Universe? So how is this relevant for the tourism of our country?
I would say the most important thing is the way mindset of the people changes when we go out there on an international platform and promote the tourism of country. The unexplored places and the unheard stories that we talk about, and that's what intrigues them. So I would say that's what makes it relevant when you can talk about the tourism and the unheard, unexplored places of your country.
So how do you see your future in this industry or Miss title and promoting the tourism, and how would you deal with these things which you're talking about?
Yes, so I would say being an avid traveler myself, I would love to be into this industry, promoting the tourism of our country, telling the stories of the country that people haven't heard about, and the places that are still unexplored for the people. And for that, the plans are a lot of things. There are many ideas that I want to put into action. Apart from that, being someone who's from filmmaking, I would use that art of mine to promote the tourism of my country in the most creative and best way possible. So that's how I would love to work about and use my title and my art of filmmaking together to promote the country on a very better level internationally, and make sure that people hear the stories and love to come to India, change their mindset about what things they have already in the mind.
So is there anything specific which you would want to say or conclude, or after winning this title, what would you say?
Yes, so I would like to say that India is already blessed with a lot of landscapes, some that are in desert areas, some the snowy regions or the coastal areas. There are so many things that we really could visit, but most importantly is the hospitality that the country offers, and that is the most important thing that is awaiting for the people. And that is one message that I would love to say, that Atithi Devo Bhava is the most important message we give to the world, and we follow that, we practice that preaching, and that is one of the most important reasons why you should come to India, so that we can host you in the best way possible.
So thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the good luck and best wishes for your future endeavors. So this was Shriya, and this is Renuka from Young Indian News. So today we have Miss Vaishnavi Shetty with us. She is Miss India Environment 2021, and we'll be talking about her title and its relevance. So Vaishnavi, how would you describe your title and its relevance?
Namaste, I'm Vaishnavi Shetty. So talking about my title, it's more about environmental conservation. As we humans, we have been gifted with this one common gift, which is nature, and that knowing the fact that we have caused a lot of problems to them. So this title is more about how we can redo and how we can give back to the nature and to the Mother Earth all that we have received.
So how do you plan to do all this?
Thank you. So, considering all the problems that we have been facing, one thing that I believe that rather than saying about big things, it's about starting in your own house. So, I'd rather start from oneself, and then with the title that I have, I would love to inspire the people who are around me in my same locality, so that I can start a campaign or a drive in my own area first, and then through that help others to also reach out. And with the small steps, I believe we can undo all that we have done.
So okay, so you're saying that you'll take baby steps and then move forward.
Right.
So how would you say that the environment, the condition of environment in our country in particular, if we talk about it?
In our country, I believe there's a lot of things that we should put forward, as in talking about the climate. What we can do for is that maybe in our birthdays, the small thing that we can do, that rather having a big party, we can actually plant a seed. Okay, and if we keep on doing that, maybe a lot of people looking at us, they can also start doing the same things. And a lot of things, as in the waste management, that also we can start in our own houses. Maybe I can have a proposal with the place that I am staying there, and we can initiate a purpose where we can educate people about the waste management, and small baby steps like that.
So as you know that the environment is a big issue,
Right.
and in present times it's
It's
very
been
big.
increasing.
So your pageant and your title and your endeavors, like the things which you are talking about, how would you say that you will implement all these things? Do you have a plan in mind?
Yes, we do have a plan in mind, as we have 6 months ahead of us for the same pageant. We have been thinking about it, we have been planning and plotting about it, at how we can put it in action. So starting from myself and then to the few people around me, I believe that I can put forward these plannings in action.
So thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the luck for your campaign and all your endeavors. So this was Vaishnavi Shetty with us, and Renuka, Young India News.